Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. I am here with a little haul from Tuesday morning. I only got to go to one. First I did get this in from Amazon. These were the magnetic discs, the basic grade. I meant to get the small ones. I accidentally ordered the large ones. But they're still thin. I think these were like 0.3 milliliters or something. But anyway, so these are great for mini albums. Sorry about that glare. And I also got in the chipboard, and this is the 0.46 thick chipboard 25 pack, and I think it costs like $25, and it is by Thunderbolt Paper. So this is my first time ordering theirs, but it's it feels like a decent quality. So that's the thickness right there. So that's for mini albums and scrap and folios and all those kind of things like that, and building 3D projects. And I got those both off of Amazon. So I went into one of the TM, and I was able to get this. Is the Vicki Boutin iridescent glaze, and it was $2.99. And the SKU number is 2027039. You can call the 1-800 product line and your zip code, and they'll let you know whether or not these products are in your area. So a lot of people want those numbers. That's why I give them. I picked up this fancy pants little cork sticker set, which I thought was pretty cute, which you can make yourself. If you got some cork, you can stamp it, cut it out, use your scan and cut or fussy cut it out, and run it through your Xyron, and you can make your own cork stickers as well. But I just thought these were already cute and fun. These were $2.99, and it was $189.6859. So these add a little teeny bit, not a lot, but a little bit of dimension to like tags and scrapbook pages and flip books and things like that, if you just want to have a little bit of dimension. Excuse my voice. Early in the morning, just woke up. This has been out for a while. This is the Heidi swap die, and this is the thank you one. And it was $4.49, $192.9996. So that is the font right there. Also picked up some of Vicki Boutin's glitter sets. This is a 4-piece ensemble, and it is 2.36 ounces, and it comes in various textures. So it says the first one though is the microflakes, the glitter glass, and then the chunky glitter. And it's $4.99, and it's 202-47042. So you can see that right there, your chunky glitter, your microflakes, fine glitter. And this is, you know, silver is really nice. Fine glitter. I'm sorry, this is your microflakes right here. But these are great. You can use these, you know, how to use glitter. But your mica stuff is great to add on to a lot of mixed media projects as well. So I was watching Live Love Scrap, and she was using some on her my mind went blank, what you call it, crepe paper. And I was like, oh yeah, I'll show you some of those there. Sorry about the crinkle. A couple more sticker sets they came out with this week. They have more complete sets, but I didn't see them. I'm going to look at the other stores, because I know Linda, she posted, excuse me, she posted some on her Instagram page that she had gotten this in the collection set. So I was looking for to see if I can find the other set to go with it, but I just found this sticker set, the Bliss set by MME, My Mind's Eye, and it's the Bliss stickers, and it's 2035461. Nice soft pastel colors. I'm a bold girl, but they are cute. So, and that is 25 stickers with gold on the accents, it says. So you can actually use this with quite a few paper pads. And then this was the Blvd Child Chips and Sweet Spring 1968837. So these are chipboard pieces. They're stickers. Of course, spring is leaving us now. I think I might have this. And then I got this one. Of course, it's a masculine set. It's My Mind's Eye. And I just thought it was cool, and I think I may have this one too, but this was 99¢. And it's Hey Mister. And they've also had out the chipboard stickers, the big 12x12 chipboard sticker set, the brads, and something else to go along with this set. I haven't found the paper yet. I am looking for that. But this is 2035466. And you know, it's typically hard to find a lot of masculine stickers. Excuse me. And I have sons, so 3 biological, 2 other ones that I raised. So I try to get, and a grandson. So I try to get a lot of masculine ones. It's easy to find stuff for my daughter. It's just harder to find for them. This is on clearance, 40% off, and I got the two what do you call these things? Trophies. It's actually called Harness Trophies, and this is a Tim Holtz Alterations steel rule die, which means you can use this on different textures besides just paper. You can use this on canvas, felt, materials, and different things like that. So you just have to check your machine and your sandwich to run it through, and you can cut other things besides just paper. It was originally $9.99 with 40% off. 1853005. So really anything in the clearance aisle that's probably about a year old, you'll be able to find in the clearance aisle. The funny thing is you can find this in the clearance aisle and find this in the current aisle. So always check, because this is still in the current aisle and in the clearance aisle, because they get different shipments of the same product in at different times. So this sticker date is 8/17. So if you see one with 8/18 on it, it's going to be in the current aisle with the full price. But because it's last year, it's in the clearance aisle. So sometimes it's just a matter of having the sticker on it. Got these also on clearance. Picked this up kind of for my sister, this one, but we'll see if she wants it. This been out for a while, since last year too. $7.99, 40% off, and it was 1861743. And these are the Crafters Workshops die. These are like the 4x6, so you can use this as your Project Life. You can use this as card fronts, iCads, different things like that. So, like I said, Project Life and iCads and card fronts are typically what you use these for. And same thing with this one, and this was 1861743, 40% off. And sorry about that glare. There it is. And then the last two dies that I picked up were the Crafter Companion Desire dies. And the first one is Create a Card, and this is a Victoria, and this is great for creating card fronts. 2027917. And again, you can look on her website and you can find a lot of examples of how they use their dies. And I typically do that a lot when I'm in the store. I try to pull up the die and see how they can use it to give me some inspiration if I think I can use it for different ways. 2027917, $4.99. And then this one, this is for mixed media. If you do steampunk, again, this is also for masculine, and that's what I got it for. 2027920, cogs in motion. So that's various cogs, so you can make a lot of different shapes with that. Masculine stuff, it could be gears, tires, like I said, steampunk, just different things like that. So anyway, that's my small haul from one Tuesday morning that I went to. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.